You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce the name of this American tennis player. If you want to learn more confusing names from tennis that many get wrong, stay tuned. A name of Japanese origin, surname, I believe, Brandon Nakashima is how it's normally pronounced in English in the US. In Japanese, it would be said as Nakashima, but in English, Brandon Nakashima. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.